Crude oil WTI achieved higher highs today at 84.4 before retracing now till towards 83.5 levels. At the same time, natural gas has also seen 3.04 levels and now trading with a slight drop or a retracement till 2.98. So now what to expect with the US session, specifically when also we have a US CPI data coming in. Definitely it can try to bring little more volatility in crude and net gas as well. So which position you should take in order to profit trading crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update should have profited. With that, let's start. First crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Also, your every like, every comment is a great motivation for me. It keeps me sane to give or consistently deliver the best of my abilities twice a day. So do like and do comment as well. Also, sharing and subscribing is a great support as well. So do share, subscribe, like, comment. With that, let's start. And yes, you can join my free Telegram channel also in order to get the live market updates. Now look at oil on the hourly chart. See, this hourly candle may give a bearish candle here. I will look forward to 83 levels, below which further bearishness will take it till towards 82.4 and 82 levels. 83 is going to be a very good support. On the hourly charts, you can see lower highs, and since then we have seen this retracement. Now also, if you look at on the hourly charts after a long time, now moving averages have started to converge. This is a slight bearish sign for oil. But at the same time, you should look at higher lows, higher highs. It is still trying to trade in this channel. Hence now 83.4 levels, you can sell for 83, 82.4, and then below 82.4 is where little more bearishness will be seen in oil prices. Stochastic has dropped straight till towards the oversold zone. The MACD has also crossed over, and see, which we have discussed that it is coming at a slightly higher levels. The same thing has happened. It is now looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards too. It is a bearish indication. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise higher lows, higher highs. Yes, the support is there at around 83.3, 83.4 levels, and then 83 levels. Below 83 is where the bears will try to take over. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped vertically. The MACD has also crossed over for sell. If you look at the movement of MACD, you will observe, see, first wave, second wave, and this is the beginning, or you can say first wave, second wave is greener part is done. Now the red part has started, so it can continue with the slight downward move, flat top, higher low. So it can continue with the downward or bearish move. RSI dropping from the top there. And on the 3 hour, if you look at the 3 hour chart, the price is divergent from the moving average. 83 great support, 82 the next important support, and also this is the first red candle. Second red candle may take it further down for 83, 82.4 levels. Be aware of it. It can possibly yield to a good drop. If you look at the 3 hour chart, this is trying to trade in this zone. 81 is the strongest support for this channel. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to converge crossover for sell, and RSI is also very near to the overbought zone, though it is not yet completely over. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see, the previous candle has got a sharp pull on the downside. It has got a wick, and then it has got a body and a flat closing here. So once it stays below 83.3, 83.4 levels, more bearishness will be there, and then the prices may come down till towards 82.5, 82.4 levels, which is a great support, and below that further bearishness might take it till towards 81. Stochastic was overbought. It is cooled down a bit. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover, but it is still bullish. RSI is very near to the top there. Coming to the day. Now oil on the daily charts achieved higher highs. As we discussed, it is trying to trade in this channel, achieving the highs. Now it is again starting to look downwards. A sell entry at 83.4, 83.3 can be taken for 83. Now 83 is going to be a very good support. Below that we may see 82.4, and if it draws below 82.4, 82.3 levels, you can say that the bears will try to take over further till towards 81 levels. Stochastic overbought on the daily charts. MACD is still in green. It should converge crossover for sell as it has achieved slightly higher levels. RSI is also near to overbought zone. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell oil today at 83.4 levels. Expect 83, 82.4, and then 82. Below 82, further bearishness will prevail, and then if not today, by tomorrow, we can see it hitting $81 levels as well. On the upside, a buying entry is only about 84 levels. Above 84 we can again expect it to hit 84.5 and 85 levels. 85 is a great resistance. Anyways, even if it tries to stay above 85, possibility exists that there could be a retracement later. However, 85 and also is a great resistance, and hence beyond 85 is where the bulls will try to take over. Till then it can reverse any point of time. Above 85 is where the bulls are going to make a merry and may try to lift the prices till towards 86.5, 88 levels in the near future. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. Now look, nat gas on the hourly charts failed to stay above 3.05. It has just seen a little rise till towards 3.03, 3.04, and since then we can see it trading in this bearish channel. 20 period moving average, it has got the support at 2.98 and then 2.9695 levels. So below 2.95 is where the bears will take over for 2.9 and 2.8 levels. But till then, till the time 2.9 is respected, possibility of bounce back exists. See, the moving prices were deviating from the moving average, divergence from the moving average. It has converged till towards these levels. Now below 2.98, further bearishness may prevail for 2.9. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent, bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can clearly see lower highs are seen here. Reversal sign is seen. It tried to rise, however now again trying to reverse. So once it stays below 2.9897, you can sell for 2.9594 and then 2.9 levels. Below that, further bearishness is going to be seen for 2.8 and below levels. Stochastic has dropped sharply. The MACD is again crossing over here for a sell entry. It is trading with divergence, and hence we can see one or two, in fact 2 or 3 more red candles from here, which suggests that there will be bearishness in the coming sessions. Stochastic RSI is extremely overbought, and that is why we can see a cool down or a drop here. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Right now also it can reverse any point of time, but a buying entry I will recommend is only about 3.05 levels now. So in fact you can buy at 3.02, but then 3.0405, very good resistance. Only about 3.05 we can see further bullishness taking it till towards 3.1 and 3.2 levels. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at around 2.98, 2.97 levels. Below that, 2.9495 first target, 2.9 the second, and below that further bearishness will prevail. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is extremely overbought, and we can see it now trying to look downwards, trying to cool down a bit. On the 4-hour charts, see lower highs. This candle tries to see a reversal, and that is why we can see a drop here. Possibly we may see 2.95 very soon, and in fact 2.9, 2.8486 levels will also be seen. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, crossover for sell. RSI is extremely overbought here. Coming to the daily, now see natural gas on the daily charts was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Lower highs are done. Possibly it could fall back within the Bollinger Bands here, which suggests that there will be a drop, or there could be a drop. 2.9, 2.84, 2.8 levels also, it can erase the complete gains from yesterday, and hence we have to trade with caution. Yes, we can look forward to a little drop here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, and this is extreme divergence, and hence we can see it converging probably. RSI is overbought here. Considering this, first of all, a buying entry is only confirmed. Yes, you can buy at 3.02, but then 3.0405, very good resistance. If it stays above 3.05 is where the bulls will try to take over for 3.1, 3.2 levels in the near future or today itself. So 3.2 is the target which I'll be looking forward to. If not today, possibly tomorrow. If not tomorrow, by next week it will try to achieve this. On the downside, worst is where you should sell. I will recommend you to sell here 2.9897 levels. Below 2.97 is where the little more bearishness will take place for 2.9495 first target, 2.9 the second target. In fact, I'll be directly looking at 2.9 levels below 2.9798 zone. Below 2.9 is where the strongest support zone for net gas for the near future is going to come, that is 2.8, 2.9. Remember, 2.8 is the great resistance earlier, now it is going to be a great support, and hence we have to watch out for how it behaves at around 2.8, 2.9 zone. You have to just put a trailing stop loss there. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.